So hello everyone, this video will be all about the rules in playing badminton, particularly in singles and in doubles. So what you can see right now in the screen is an illustration of a mini badminton court so that we can be helped in picturing out how the rules work in person. So in every badminton game, be it in singles or in doubles, it always starts with a toss coin. So the person who wins the toss coin will get to decide whether he will receive or serve first or which side of the court he's going to play. And if the person loses, then that person must exercise the remaining choice. So the game starts in singles. Score is initially 0-0, so the score is even. As a rule, the player will serve from the right side. So the space is much wider in playing singles because these spaces right here are not considered outside. During the serve, any lines on the court shall not be stepped until the server strikes the shuttlecock, which must be below the waist. The moment the shuttlecock hits the net and still make it to the other side of the court, then the rally must continue. However, the direction of the shuttlecock must always be diagonal and must not be outside the lines of the court. Such happens, a fault will be called and the opponent will earn 1 point. So whenever a player wins a point, it makes an even number into an odd number and vice versa. So from the even number of 0, which is from the right side, it becomes 1, so the players will shift to the left side of the court. Then, the player will make a serve towards the diagonal opposite to the opponent. Another fault includes a shuttlecock going outside of the lines of the court or when the player fails to hit the shuttlecock when it passed over the net. So players must be very careful when receiving a shuttlecock so as to avoid their racket or their body from touching the net. Also, they must not reach over the net to hit. Instead, they should wait until it passes over the net or else a fault will be called. So for the scoring system, the player who wins a rally gets a point and the side winning the game shall serve first on the next game. In order to win the game, the player must win 2 over 3 games of 21 points, or what is called in badminton as best of 3. In case of 20 all, the first to get the 2-point lead wins. And in 29 all cases, the first to reach 30 wins. Doubles. The game starts in doubles. So the same rules applies to doubles regarding faults. The only difference is that there is a smaller space to play since outside of these lines are considered out. In playing doubles, there are 2 players in each side of the court. And these 2 players are assigned to each side, which is the left and the right players. So just like in singles, at the beginning of the game and when the score is even or 0, the server serves from the right, and when odd, the server serves from the left. So if a server wins a rally and scores a point, he serves again but from the other side of the court. In short, he switches side with his partner. If the receiving side wins a rally and gets a point, then this became the new serving side. And a reminder, players do not change their respective service courts until they win a point when their side is serving. So that is all. I hope you have learned something from this video regarding the rules in playing badminton, particularly in singles and in doubles.